Want to speed up your typing and reduce typos? Today, we are exploring how to set up and use text replacement on your Apple devices to enhance productivity. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and let's jump right in. Let's start with your iPhone and iPad. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap General. Select the keyboard and then choose Text Replacement. Tap the plus button in the top right corner. In the face field, enter the text you want to replace. In the shortcut field, tap the abbreviation or shortcut you want to use. Tap Save to add the new text replacement. Next, to update or delete the text replacement, here is how. Tap the text replacement you want to modify. Update the face or shortcut field. Tap Save to apply the changes. To delete, swipe left on the entry and tap Delete. Alternatively, tap Edit from the bottom left corner, choose the minus red icon and tap Delete. Now, let's set up text replacement on your Mac. Click the Apple logo on top left corner and select the system settings. Access the keyboard menu and choose text replacement. Click the plus button in the new window. In the replace field, enter the text you want to replace. In the width field, type the text you want to insert. Click add to save the new text replacement. Finally, hit done. Updating or deleting text replacement on Mac is simple. Simply select the text replacement you want to modify. Update the replace or width fields. Hit save to apply changes. Click the minus button to delete the entry. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.